don't need a C compiler or the GCC compiler to compile a C program.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
I'll be showing you how to compile your C file using the Zig compiler. As you know that Zig is a different language which fits in the same niche as C, C++, and Rust. And I'll be showing you how to compile the C files using the Zig compiler. So it's simple. I will go ahead and just create a C file. I will name it main.c. Then go ahead and copy some simple C program. So what this program does is just print hello world in the terminal. So in the compilation step is easy. So what you have to do is just call the Zig compiler. So Zig, you have to install it first, then followed by the cc flag, meaning the C compiler, then followed by the name of the C file, main.c, then -o, meaning we want to, after the program has compiled, for it to produce an executable. So when I saw, then I will name it main.o. So main.o is our executable. So press enter. Just like that, it has compiled our C file, and this is the output file. So we can go ahead and run it and see if it works. So main.o.
That was easy.